What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I want to teach you about these chicken leg quarters, and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, what is a chicken leg quarter? Well, I'm going to tell you what, you might have to go to another website to find out. I'm just playing with you. What you got to do is you get to go to the grocery store, and I didn't go to the Piggly Wiggly, I just went to the local Wally World and got me some chicken leg quarters. What it is it's the thigh and the thing attached with the leg and the thigh are just still together. And you know what? Some people, they I don't know what it is. They get turned off by it. They just really don't like it. Kind of grosses them out, makes people. So, I don't understand why. Because really, to me, you're getting more cluck for your buck. This is a 10-pound bag of these suckers for $10. It's like I think it was like $9.90 something. So it's less than $1 a pound. That's an insane price. Even the Monopoly man was over there going, "What's going on with this?" So I had to get them today because I'm going to show you the way. Now, first of all, I want to show you something. If you want to, if you're up there richy rich and you get your panties in a bunch, and you really don't want them attached, you can always cut them in half. You take them like this, find this little line right here, cut it down, kind of twist around and pull them apart, and you got your leg and your thigh. But to me, you know what I'm going to say. I got time for that shit. I got stuff to do. Got to go out and mow that grass, and got to do something else with the grass too. So, got to go ahead and get these yard birds, the yard pimps, and we're going to get them dressed up to go. So, first thing you need, some seasoning, Big Daddy. We're going to get some salt, put that on there. Next, a little bit of lemon pepper just to make it go. So, now let's add a bit of paprika and a little garlic too to keep old Dracula's ass back away. So, put these in the oven. I put it on 325. And you're going to leave it in there for about an hour or so. But make sure you come back and check after about 30 minutes. Don't be in there watching WrestleMania with Doink the Clown when you should be in here getting down. Now, the chicken, after about an hour or so, I like to kind of take that juices at the bottom and drain it off. And now, we're going to add a little sauce because you know the sauce is the boss. And I would have that Sweet Baby Ray's, but my pockets was touching, so I had to eat the great value. But you know what? Tastes pretty damn good if you do it right. Now, take that sauce, put it on top of that chicken, and we want to slather it out. And now, about another 15 minutes or so, come back, flip it, do the same thing on the other side, hit it with a little more seasoning if you don't mind, just kind of the same deal, and then I think we're ready for a sight and a big old bite of these cheapo little damned old chicken leg quarters tonight, don't you? I think so, yeah. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The leg quarters are done. I'm having that first bite for me. And it looks like a Fred Flintstone right now. And you're saying, oh, hell, we'll cut it in half. I ain't done it. So, watch it. Boy, I knew I'd make a mess. You know it's going to. You know, who can really beat barbecue chicken? You just can't do it. You can't do it. It's damn good. And you know, a damn good price on them leg quarters. Like I said, $10. And it really, that's enough for 2 meals. I kind of took the thing. I had about 9 pieces in it. Have 5 tonight, have 4 tomorrow. That's a lot of bird, baby. I love it. A lot of bird for a little buck. So, I'm in luck that you stopped by. I want to thank you for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel now. You'll excuse me, it's bird time, so I'm about to dive right in if you don't mind. Damn good, damn good.